Hello, everyone. Have a good day to all of us. I'm Annabelle Agustin, and today I will be discussing contemporary issues in play. The first one is the toys and development. Toys play a crucial role in a child's development, encompassing cognitive, physical, social, and emotional well-being. Toys are not just entertainment, they are essential tools for holistic child development. By choosing age-appropriate and stimulating toys, parents and educators can support children's growth across various domains. The contemporary issues in play, toys, and development include concerns about the impact of the following. Ito. Technology in play toys. Many modern toys incorporate technology such as tablets, smartphones, and interactive devices into play experiences. While these toys can offer educational benefits and engaging features, there are concerns about excessive screen time and its potential negative effects on children's development, such as decreased physical activity, limited social interactions, and reduced creativity. Ayan. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, ayan, high technology na. Yung mga bata naman, ayan, mas more time na sila sa sa paglalaro ng mga gadgets. At malaking epekto ito sa kalusugan ng mga bata. At ito, hindi lang sa physical na mga sa health nila, pati na rin yung sa mga, kasi napansin nyo ba yung mga batang yung mahilig sila sa yung may mga bata, hindi naman lahat, may mga bata na mga sila late speech. Oo, yung late ang speech nila kasi nga palagi lang sila sa cellphone, kulang sila sa interaction ng mga magulang nila or sa family nila. Kaya yan, isa din yan sa mga dahilan. And then the gender stereotypes in toy design. Ayan, mahilig tayo sa ganyan, lalo na yung mga Pilipino. Gender stereotypes. Ayan, wag mong laruin yan, mga panglalaki yan. O wag mong laruin yan, mga pangbabae yan. Uy, ano ka ba? Ayan, alam mo, bata pa sila, wala na silang freedom kung kung anong nagpapasaya sa mga bata. Ayan, kasi nga parang kinokontrol ng mga magulang or mga mas nakakatanda. Ayan, kasi isa din yan sa mga issues na current issues, o hindi lang current, kahit dati pa. Traditional gender stereotypes persist in the design and marketing of toys, with pink and blue color schemes, princesses for girls, and action figures for boys being prevalent examples. These stereotypes can limit children's play choices, reinforce narrow gender rules, and perpetuate biases about interests and abilities. Ayan, tulad sa sinabi ko kanina. Ayan, kaya nga nakakaano din yun, nakaka-apekto sa emotional ng mga bata. Kasi nga, ayan, mga bata pa sila, hindi nila, di ba ang mga bata nag-explore yan sila. Oo. Tapos, ayan, kinokontrol ng mga matatanda kasi isa din yan sa mga tradisyon ng tradisyon ng hindi lang sa mga Pilipino, pati na din sa ibang bansa. Pero isa din itong issue na dapat nang yung dapat i-correct na. No, kasi na tayo ngayon ibang generation na, bagong generation na, lalo na sa mga bata ngayon. Yung gender stereotypes. Yan, isa din sa mga issue na dapat bigyan din ng seryosong pansin upang yung mga bata sila, kumbaga lalaki sila na ano ba, yung ma-feel nila yung tunay na ma-experience nila yung tunay na happiness, tunay na maging masaya bilang isang bata, di ba? Tapos, diversity and inclusion toy options. Okay. Ito na yung diversity. Yan. Inclusion yan. Mga batang babae at lalaki, pwede nang laruin yung pwede nang laruin yung mga laruan ng mga pambabae, yung mga bata ng mga babae, pwede din mag-play sa toys ng mga for boys. Ganon. Representation matters in play toys, and it is essential for children to see themselves reflected in the toys they play with. This includes having toys that feature diverse racial, cultural, and body representations to promote inclusivity and celebrate differences. Ayan. Yung mga bata, wag natin silang kumbaga wag nang kontrolin kasi alam mo, itong i-share ko lang yung experience ko sa mga Chinese. Yung amo ko, yung mga anak nila, kahit babae yan, pinapalaro nila ng bola, ng mga cars, kasi nga sabi niya, bata pa yan, kailangan lang niyang, gusto lang niyang freedom ba, nag-i-explore kasi siya. Yung batang lalaki, okay lang din sila, kinakarga-karga niya yung doll, yung baby doll, tapos ayun, hindi ba katulad ng minsan kasi yung mga Pilipino, ay nako, baka maging bakla to kasi nilalaro yung mga laruan ng pambabae. Pero sa kanila wala, kasi sa kanila pina-explore nila yung mga bata, binigyan nilang freedom na na maglaro, na maging masaya. Tapos sabi ng mga amo ko, i-guide yan, dapat i-guide kasi paglaki nila, ayan, matutunan din naman nila pag na i-guide at saka proper guidance lang talaga at advice sa mga bata. Ayan, matutunan din nila na paglaki ko ganyan, ito pala yung tamang gawin. Pero nung bata pa sila, mas mahalaga na hayaan natin silang maging masaya, hayaan natin silang maglaro, na kahit ng inclusive na babae man o lalaki, ganon yung sa kanina, yung sa stereotypes. Ayun. And by addressing these contemporary issues in play toys and development, stakeholders can promote healthy and enriching play experiences that support children's cognitive, social, emotional, and physical growth. It is crucial to be mindful of the impact of toys on children's development and well-being, and strive to provide inclusive, balanced, and engaging play opportunities for all children. The other contemporary issues in play, the toys and the marketplace. Yeah. Contemporary issues in play and the marketplace include concerns about the following. Ito, safety and regulations. Ayan, ito yung mahalaga. Talaga. Ensuring the safety of play toys is a top priority for manufacturers, retailers, and regulatory bodies. There have been instances of toys containing harmful materials, choking hazards, or other safety risks that have prompted recalls and increased scrutiny on toy safety standards. Okay. Diba yan sa Pilipinas? Tinuturuan. Mga awareness about sa toys. Ayan. Mag-ingat sa pagpili. Ayan. Safety. Choosing toys. And ban toxic chemicals in toys. Ayan. Ito yung picture na to. Ayan. Okay. The Philippines has initiated a consultation over its draft legislation on toys and childcare articles. Comments were accepted until January 15, 2024. In December 2023, the Philippine Center for Cosmetics and Household Urban Hazardous Substances Regulations and Research initiated a consultation over the nation's drafts, rules, and regulations governing the issuance of authorization for toys and childcare articles. The draft order intends to revise and align toys and childcare articles (TCCA) regulations with appropriate laws and establish standards. Establish the product notification procedure for TCCA. Justify the issuance of the certificates of exemption for exempted toys, games, and childcare articles. Determine the rules and responsibilities of market authorization holders in ensuring TCCA product safety and quality. This requires ML major revision of the current Republic Act 10620, an act of providing toy and game safety labeling. This current law and its implementing rules provide guidance, directive to toy suppliers to follow the labeling requirements stated therein. Yan. May law pala sa mga sa safety, sa about toys. Ito, yung toy game safety labeling. Para naman masecure na yung nilalaro ng mga bata, safe 'yun. Tapos hindi nakakasira sa health ng mga bata. Mahalaga kasi minsan yung mga toys, 'di ba? Sinusubo, ayan, hindi natin alam na toxic na pala 'yun. Yan, nagkakasakit yung mga bata nang dahil lang sa laruan. Kaya maganda din yung ginagawa ng government, no? Para naman para talaga mapangalagaan yung mga bata. Yan. Sustainability and environmental impact. With increased awareness of environmental issues, consumers are becoming more conscious of the environmental impact of toys. The production, packaging, and disposal of toy can contribute to waste and pollution, leading to calls for more sustainable practices in the toy industry. Dapat na yung mga laruan, eco-friendly. Hindi nakakasira sa nature. Ayan, yan mga recycled materials kasi more on plastic kasi, ayan, dagdag sa pollution. Pero naman medyo sa mga may kayang pamilya, ay afford talaga nila yan kasi medyo expensive din yung hindi naman sa gano'n na talaga nakamahal, pero mas maganda din, safe yun sa mga bata, yung mga wooden toys tulad nito, ayan, safe yan sa kanila. Ayan, lahat ng mga gamit walang plastic, at saka away from yung masugatan yung mga bata kasi hindi sila metal, at saka pag binabato-bato, ayan, hindi siya safe siya na na laruan. Ito, mga wooden laruan, no? Ethical sourcing and labor practices. The sourcing of raw materials, manufacturing processes, and labor practices in the toy industry have come under scrutiny, with concerns about exploitative working conditions, child labor, and supply chain transparency. Stakeholders are increasingly demanding accountability and ethical practices from toy manufacturers. Ayan, dapat susunod talaga sila sa law, yung rules na. Dapat panatilihin talagang safe yung mga laruan na nila, yung binebenta. Ayan. Ito yung educational and non-traditional toys. As parents and educators, seek toys that offer educational value, promote skill development, and encourage creativity. There is a growing demand for educational and non-traditional toys in the marketplace. Toys that focus on STEM. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and math. Skills, art, and creativity. Critical thinking and problem solving are gaining popularity. Yan. Mas na ngayon, mas ano bang tawag nito? Yung mga educational toys, mas inaano na nila yung pinopromote. Oo, pinopromote kasi nga sa panahon ngayon, modern technology, ayan. Yung mga bata palagi na lang nagga-gadget, nagsa-cellphone, and iPad. Kaya no-promote tong mga educational toys kasi while naglalaro sila, meron silang matutunan. Ayan. By addressing these contemporary issues in play, toys, and the marketplace, stakeholders can work towards creating safe, sustained, ethical, and enriching environment for children to play and learn. It is important for toy manufacturers, retailers, and regulators, and consumers to collaborate in ensuring that toys meet high standards of safety, ethics, and educational value to support the well-being and development of children. Yan. Mahalaga talaga na pangalagaan nila, no? Kasi mga bata, yan. Importante talaga yung mga laruan na safe talaga. Yan. The media-based play. These are one of the contemporary issues in play. Contemporary issues in media-based play, such as video games, mobile apps, and online platforms include concerns about mga bata. Yan. Pag naka-gadget na yan, ayan, concentrate talaga yan yung mga bata. Kahit tinatawag mo yan, hindi na yan makikinig kasi nga, focus na, concentrate talaga sila sa gadgets. Yan. Lalo na pag sobrang yung enjoy na talaga. Yan. Screen time and digital addiction. With the widespread availability of digital devices and media content, children are spending increasing amounts of time engaged in screen-based activities. Concerns have been raised about the negative effects of excessive screen time on children's physical health, mental well-being, and social development. Ayan. Marami talagang di magandang effect, masasamang effect, bad effects ang media-based play. Yan. Addict na sa mga gadgets. Yan. Hindi lang pala ito nakakasira sa sa physical, tsaka pati yung mental, kasi nga yung ibang mga bata, alam mo yung parang tulala na yung parang talagang hindi na, parang hindi na talaga nakikinig. Tapos pag kinakausap naman, ayan, oo, hindi, ayoko yan, ganyan lang yung mga sinasagot. Diba? Social development nakaka-apekto din. Online safety and privacy. As children engage with media-based play online, there are risks related to cybersecurity, online predators, and inappropriate content, and data privacy. Ensuring the safety and privacy of children in digital environment is a top priority for parents, educators, and technology companies. Mahalaga talaga itong online safety and privacy sa mga bata. Impact on child development. The impact of media-based play of child development is a complex issue with debates about the benefits and risks of digital media consumption. Ayan, dinadebatihan na pala to, yung mga epekto sa media-based. Ayan. By addressing these contemporary issues in media-based play, stakeholders can work towards creating safe, inclusive, and enriching digital environments for children to play, learn, and connect. It is essential for parents, educators, content creators, technology companies, and policymakers to collaborate in promoting responsible media habits, protecting children online, and harnessing the positive potential of media-based play for child development and well-being. Yan. Para naman maproteksyonan yung mga bata, kaya mahalaga talaga sa mga parents na may limit at saka yung bigyang pansin talaga ng mga magulang. Yung mga may kaya kasi, yan sila, yung mga may makayang pamilya, yung mga bata, mahilig sa gadget yan. Pati nga din yung mga mahihirap, hindi lang sa mga may kaya, mahihirap din. Ayan, addict na din sa computer shop. Computers as a medium of play, one of the contemporary issue. Computers as a medium of play. Contemporary issues in play in computers as a medium of play include about the impact of technology on children, physical and mental health, excessive screen time, and sedentary lifestyle associated with computer gaming can lead to various health problems, such as obesity, eye strain, musculoskeletal issues, and poor postures. Ayan. ito yung mga physical, mental health, no? Nakaka-apekto, ayan. Yan, yung may mga bata, hindi na talaga makinig, ayaw nang mag-lunch, ayan, ayaw nang kakain. Tapos iba naman mga bata, ayan, nagmumukmok sa kwarto, kasi nga, ayan, puro na lang panood ng mga iPad nila. Yung iba naman, ayan, nila anxiety, ayan. The ethical consideration in game design. Game developers face ethical dilemmas in designing computer games that balance entertainment, education, and social impact. Yung mga nag-ano pala ng games, ayan, na ano din pala sila. Kasi nga dapat nila i-balance, no? Kasi yung para na hindi makapa-apekto ng ano sa mga bata. Hindi nakakasama. Addiction and harmful behaviors. Concerns about gaming addiction, excessive screen time, and harmful online behaviors such as cyberbullying, harassment, and toxic gaming communities are pressing issues in computer-based play. Ayan, oo. Risky talaga tong addiction and harmful behaviors. Kasi nga, dyan sa ano, yung mga parents, lalo na yung sa mga ano, sa mga social media app, yan. May mga bata na hindi mo na pala alam, napunta na dun sa mga ano, may mga cyberbullying na, maraming case na yan na ayan, nagpakamatay or nakapatay na bata kasi nga binubully, ayan. Dapat talaga ano, i-guide ang mga bata. Mga parents, mahalaga din na ano, na isang mahalagang mga ano, tao na para maproteksyonan yung mga anak nila. By addressing these contemporary issues in play in computers as a medium of play, stakeholders can work towards fostering balanced, ethical, and positive gaming culture that supports children well-being, learning, and social development. Collaboration ang kailangan, no? Sa lahat upang maging ano, maiwas yung mga bata sa mga hindi magandang mga mangyayari, no? Ayan. Safety considerations for children's play and equipment. Contemporary issues in safety considerations for children's play and equipment include concerns about the following. Ayan, playground safety standards. Ayan, mahalaga talaga na ang playground na laruan ng mga bata, yung safety siya, tapos yung equipment ay, at saka yung space niya, ayan, child friendly talaga. Ayan. Compliance with safety guidelines, regular maintenance, and proper installation of equipment are crucial to ensure a safe play environment for children. Ayan. Risk of injuries. Ayan, ito, tama to. Kahit gaano hindi talaga maiwasan na, ayan, may mga ano talaga, may mahulog, may madapa. Kaya kailangan talaga na paglalaro yung mga bata, may mga babantay sa kanila, oo, yung mga ano ba nila, yung mga mama at papa or mga nani nila, kailangan talaga kasi mga bata pag sobrang enjoy na yan, ayan, takbo na dito, takbo doon, tapos hindi talaga natin maiwasan, may madapa, may mahulog, ayan, magkasugat-sugat, ayan, normal lang yan sa mga bata. Kaya mahalaga na ano, yung mga playground, yung playground naman, may mga ano naman yun sila, mga soft, yung surface nila ba, hindi naman yung ano, tapos iba naman may mga grass, gano'n, no? Hindi naman masyadong ano talaga, yung malaking ano, disgrasya sa mga bata. Accessibility and inclusivity. Ito yung maganda kasi ano yan, maganda talaga na yung mga bata kahit ano yung parang special na mga bata, no? They can play together with the normal children. Kasi kawawa naman pag sabihin natin ano sila, no? Tabahin na lang natin ng mga children with different needs. Oo, yan daw ang dapat i-ano sa kanila. Children with different needs, hindi na lang yung special. Ayan, maganda na ano, makipaglaro sila. Para naman ma-feel nila na ano, ganito pala yung ano, ma-experience nila ang ganda ng ano bilang isang bata, no? Ayan, no. Promoting inclusive play spaces that cater to children of diverse abilities, backgrounds, and needs is an important consideration in contemporary playground design and equipment selection. Ang ganda ng playground sa ano no, sa mga ibang bansa kasi to eh. Ayan, ano talaga sila, inclusive. Inclusive ano talaga yung playground nila. Sana siguro sa Pilipinas meron namang ganito, no? And by addressing these contemporary issues in safety and considerations for children's and equipment, stakeholders can work towards creating safe, inclusive, and engaging play experiences that support children's well-being, development, and enjoyment of play. Collaboration among parents, educators, playground designers, healthcare professionals, and community advocates is essential in promoting safe play spaces, raising awareness about playground safety, and advocating for play environments that prioritize children's safety, accessibility, and enjoyment. Ayan, dito na nagtapos ang ano natin, contemporary issues in play, no? Ayan, ito pala yung mga issue sa ano, sa mga bata, sa mga laruan at sa mga bata. Yan. Ito pala yung mga issue. Ngayon natin nalaman na mahalagang papel pala ang mga laruan, no? Para sa development ng mga bata at para din sa ano, no? Para ma-feel din nila, ma-experience nila. And maraming salamat. Dito lang po. God bless us all.